What makes the Honda CD70 one of the most trusted 70 cubic centimeter motorcycles in Pakistan? The answer is a combination of simplicity, fuel efficiency, reliability, and low running costs. Welcome to Ignite Wheels. In today's 2-minute review, let's take a closer look at the 2022 Honda CD 70 cubic centimeters and why it remains such a popular choice. Design and build. The 2022 Honda CD70 keeps Honda's familiar commuter bike design. Its lightweight body, practical seating position, chrome details, and simple styling make it ideal for everyday riding. The compact frame also makes the bike easy to handle in busy city traffic. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CD70 is a simple 70 cubic centimeter 4-stroke engine designed primarily for economical daily transportation. Its power delivery is smooth and predictable, making it suitable for city commuting and routine travel. The lightweight construction helps the bike feel responsive without demanding high fuel consumption. Fuel economy and comfort. Fuel efficiency is one of the biggest reasons riders choose the CD70. With sensible riding and proper maintenance, it is designed to keep running costs low. The upright riding position and straightforward controls also make longer daily commutes more comfortable. Features and practicality. The CD70 focuses on essentials rather than unnecessary technology. Its mechanical simplicity can make routine maintenance straightforward, while the readily available parts and familiar design are major advantages for everyday owners. The 2022 Honda CD70 cubic centimeters is not about extreme speed or advanced technology. It is about reliability, economy, and practicality. For riders looking for an affordable motorcycle for daily transportation, the CD70 remains a compelling option. Subscribe to Ignite Wheels for more motorcycle reviews, new models, and automotive updates.